Here's how to quickly create a heart in Photoshop. Start off by grabbing your ellipse tool and drawing out a perfect circle by holding down Shift. With that created, switch over to your rectangle tool and add one below the ellipse, making sure that the top is flush with the center points and that the sides snap into place. Perfect. Let's join these two shapes together, either with the Command or Control E shortcut, or by right-clicking within the Layers panel and choosing Merge Shapes. Next, we need to rotate this new shape 45 degrees. Revealing our transform controls with Command or Control T, hold down Shift, then swivel it in either direction until it snaps 3 times. Then press Return to accept. With one side complete, duplicate over to the other by holding down Alt or Option and dragging. Then under the Edit Transform menu, flip it horizontally, line up the two shapes, then merge one more time. And just like that, you've created a simple heart in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe for more content, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you all next time.